Looking phone on MetroPCS. Hello viewers, in today's video you are going to learn how to activate unlock phone on MetroPCS. So let's get started. Begin by having your important account information available such as your MetroPCS account number, PIN and the IMEI of the phone you want to use. Then place your MetroPCS SIM card into the unlock phone. If you do not already have a compatible SIM, you can get one from MetroPCS before continuing. Next, sign into your account using the MetroPCS application or their official website. Look for an option that lets you change or activate a new device. Then follow the instructions shown on screen. You may be asked to enter the IMEI of your phone during setup. Once the activation steps are complete, restart the device so the network can connect properly. When your phone turns back on, you should see the MetroPCS network appear, confirming that the activation worked. And that's a quick and simple way to unlock your phone on MetroPCS.